Have you ever wondered how modern warehouses achieve such staggering efficiency? Does the thought of a perfectly synchronized symphony of machines and technology fascinate you? Well, welcome to the world of warehouse automation, where these questions find their answers. Consider the case of a leading e-commerce company which transformed its warehouse operations through automation. A few years back, they were battling issues like slow order processing, high labor costs, and a burgeoning error rate. But then, they decided to take a leap into the future of warehouse management. They invested in hanging conveyor technology, a system that uses overhead space to transport goods, saving valuable floor space. This conveyor system is like an automated highway in the sky, moving products swiftly and accurately to their designated locations. The results? They were nothing short of revolutionary. With the hanging conveyor technology, the company was able to process orders at lightning speed, drastically reducing the time between an order being placed and it being ready for dispatch. The system also slashed labor costs as fewer manual workers were needed to move goods around. But perhaps the most significant achievement was the drastic reduction in errors. With machines taking over, the error rate plummeted, leading to happier customers and fewer returns. But hanging conveyor technology is just one piece of the warehouse automation puzzle. In this e-commerce company's case, they also tapped into the power of advanced software and data processing. Their warehouse management system, or WMS, became the nerve center of their operations, tracking inventory levels, order status, and delivery schedules in real time. It provided valuable insights which helped in optimizing storage and retrieval strategies, further streamlining operations. Don't forget about the role of automated materials handling. Robots and automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, became the workhorses of their warehouse. These machines tirelessly picked, packed, and sorted products, working around the clock without any breaks. So what can we glean from this case study? Firstly, warehouse automation is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It offers significant benefits from faster order processing and reduced labor costs to lower error rates. Hanging conveyor technology in particular is a game changer. It utilizes the often underused overhead space, increasing overall storage capacity and improving the flow of goods. It's like giving your warehouse a third dimension, allowing it to operate in a more efficient and streamlined manner. And finally, the role of software and data processing cannot be overstated. A robust WMS provides real-time visibility and control over warehouse operations, making it easier to manage and optimize. So, as we journey into the future, warehouse automation, hanging conveyor technology, and supply chain streamlining are leading the charge, promising a world where goods move like clockwork and efficiency is the name of the game.